Good morning to all of you. My dear students, I am Seshadri, retired commerce teacher and headmaster from Sri Ahobilavan Tutorial Higher Secondary School, Chennai, a very reputed institution. After my retirement from that school, I have been associated with therracademy for taking professional courses like CS, ACS and CMA. Number one, you have to read the entire question paper very thoroughly. You are given specific time for that. So throughout the time, don't do any problem. First, you have to read the question paper thoroughly. Reading the question paper is understanding and reading. At the time of reading itself, you have to understand what is asked. To that extent, you have to deeply involve at the time of reading the question paper. How to write the examinations? Don't be nervous, be confident. Number one, go and write the examinations as per the pattern they have given. That is section A, B, C, D. Only in the pattern if you follow or if you write the examinations, that will be great successful. Some of you may be following like this. First I will do section D, then section C. No, don't follow that method. You follow according to A, B, C, D. Why I am saying this? Logically the question paper is designed. First one word question is very easy for you. So when you write 20 questions very correctly, that is a very boost for you, that gives confidence to you to write the further examinations very easily. Contrary to this, if you write section D, suppose any one of the big questions doesn't come correct, means you are rather becoming nervous, and consequently it will affect other questions also. Maximum 6-10 minutes or 50 minutes, not more than that. Write the answer alone, need not do the working, everything not at all necessary. If at all you want to do some working, that can be done separately in a paper. You are given paper, use the last page for the paper for doing the work. Write the answer only along with the subsections A, B, C, D, like that. For example, A, answer. Another question, B, answer. Like that, you write the subdivision and also the answer perfectly. And having finished all the 20 questions, suppose you are not knowing any one question or two questions, write the number, leave it. Always insist the students to go through the textbook thoroughly, because almost questions are taken from only your textbook or on the same model, not more than that. Tough questions are never asked in the board examinations. Let us go to section B, where you have to write nearly 7 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. There will be 10 questions. One question will be compulsory, other questions are given as choice for you. Totally you have to write 7 questions, 7 into 2, 14 marks. There will be theory part also, and problem part also will be there. You can do anything. Don't be confusing that whenever we are attending theory part, will they give full mark for us? Definitely they will give. So don't be having that confusion. If you write perfectly, they will give full marks. There is no possibility for reducing marks to you. And moreover, it's only 2 marks. You have to write only for 2 lines or 3 lines. Even if it is theory questions, I will write for example, question may be like this: any 2 examples of capital receipt, any 2 examples of revenue expenditure, like that. Questions are very specific, and you can write very easily, you will get full marks. Here also problems are coming, theory questions are also coming. You can write anything. As I told you earlier, for theory questions also full mark will be given. You write very correct answer for that one. Unnecessary answers are not at all expected. Be thorough and write the answer correctly. Whenever a definition is asked, means you write the definition clearly. Unnecessary gossiping answers are not at all required. It is not the right time to make you to read. Already you have read for thorough, and you are going just revise and write the examinations. That's all. And finally, there will be section D. There will be internal choice. That is either or like that. You have to answer for 7 questions, 7 into 5, 35 marks. 7 questions means 7 into 2, 14 questions will be there, either a type. It's not open choice. If you, for example, if you take question number 51A, B, 52A, like that, the question will be, you can choose any question. Both the questions will be having equal marks. So read the 2 questions. Which question is easy for you? Write that question and answer. Write the answer for that question. Do not try for a challenging question. For example, I am a very intelligent student. I will go only for writing a challenge questions. Don't play with the. This is not the time for that. So now you have to get good marks. So when you get good marks, only you are getting a good college, a reputed college. Otherwise, your admission is denied. So don't play with the paper. So whenever you are given 2 questions, which question is easier for you, choose that one. Don't choose a challenge questions. So in this case, you should not play. I am a very intelligent person. I do not want to write easy question and get good marks. I will write only a very difficult question and I will get marks. Who is going to assess that all? It's not at all necessary. Better to write the easy question and get the full marks instead of writing a very tough question. And write, because all the questions carry equal marks. So it is you to choose, not others. Students mostly will be having a question, sir, where we have to do the working? Workings are the same page. It is very easy for you when you revise the paper. So when you revise the paper, when you are having any doubt, on the same page you are having the working means it is easy for you to see the working. Contrary to this, you write all the workings at the end of the paper, you will be rather confused because which working is for which problem that we are unable to ascertain. So better to do the workings in the same page. 4/5 of the page you write the answer. 1/5 is for writing or working. That's all. If you do like this, it's very easy for it to revise also. Whatever the questions you write, you'll be getting full marks if you write thoroughly. So அதனால் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். அதனால ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ. கஷ்டமான கேள்வி தான் எழுதி மார்க் வாங்கணும்னு அவசியமே கிடையாது. ஈஸியான கொஸ்டின் எதனால் மார்க் வாங்கிட்டு போயிடலாமே. அப்போ எதுக்காக கஷ்டமான கேள்வி ட்ரை பண்ணணும்? அவசியமே கிடையாது. இதெல்லாம் ஸ்கூல்லேயே உங்களுக்கு டீச்சர் சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க. இருந்தாலும் நமக்கு என்ன வழக்கம், நம்ம வாத்தியார் சொல்லி கேட்க மாட்டேன் என்றைக்குமே. இன்னொருத்தர் சொன்னால் தான் கேட்போம். அந்த மாதிரி நமக்கு டெண்டன்சி. அதனால் இப்போ ஒரு தேர்ட் பர்சனாக சொல்கிறோம், அவ்வளோதான். வாட் எவர் த சஜஷன் ஐம் கிவிங் ஆல்ரெடி would have been given to you by your teachers. கேல்குலேட்டர் இருந்தால் அழகாக நீங்கள் தப்பு வரதுக்கு வாய்ப்பே கிடையாது. அதில் இருக்கிற தரவு பண்ண கொஸ்டின்ஸை படிங்க. புதுசாலாம் ஒன்றும் நம்ம அதை சொல்கிறாங்க இதை சொல்கிறாங்க அப்படிலாம் ஒன்றும் ட்ரை பண்ணாதீங்க. உங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியுமோ நல்லா படிங்க, நல்லா பரீட்சை எழுதுங்க. சந்தோஷமாக பரீட்சை எழுத்து வெளியில் வாங்க. எல்லோரும் தேவையான பேனா, பென்சில், ஸ்கேல் இதெல்லாம் கையில் எடுத்துகிட்டு போகணும். ஏன்னா அக்கௌண்டன்சிங்கிறது நீட்னஸ் தான் இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டு. எக்ஸிக்யூஷன் நீட்னஸ். கச்சாமுச்சான்னு எழுதக்கூடாது. அழகாக கோடு போட்டு நீட்டாக எழுதணும். நம்பர்லாம் எழுதும்போது கரெக்டாக எழுதுங்க. அப்புறம் அதே மாதிரி அக்கௌண்ட் நம்பர் போடும்போது யூனிட் வைஸு, டென்ஸு அந்த மாதிரி கரெக்டாக நம்பர் கச்சாமுச்சா நம்பரில் எழுதினாலும் டோட்டல் மிஸ்டேக் வரும். பெற்றோர்களை வணங்கிட்டு பரிசைக்கு போங்க. எக்ஸாமினேஷன் காலையில் போகிறப்ப எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டுட்டு போங்க. பட்னியெல்லாம் போகாதீங்க. ஏதாவது பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட் ஏதாவது எடுத்துகிட்டு போங்க. கையில் வாட்டர் எடுத்துகிட்டு போங்க. எல்லாம் முடிச்சுட்டு எக்ஸாமினேஷன் ஹாலுக்கு ஃப்ரீயாக எக்ஸாமினேஷன் ஃப்ரீயாக இப்போ வித்தவுட் எனி ஒரிஸ், டென்ஷனெல்லாம் போகக்கூடாது. அவ்வளோதான். இந்த லாஸ்ட் மினிட்ல ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது. இதுக்கு மேலே நான் அதை படிக்கிறமா சார், இதை படிக்கிறமா சார்லாம் அதெல்லாம் சரிப்பட்டு வருது. எல்லோரும் நல்ல மார்க் வாங்கலாம், நல்ல மார்க் வாங்குவீங்க. ஐ ப்ரே காட் ஃபார் ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ டு கெட் வெரி excellent marks and come out successfully with the flying colors in the government examinations. All the best to my students.